Dear me, I heard you were crying in the car last night, holding your breath at the traffic night, acting that you don't really care. Dear me, wanna be kind to everyone but you, running on empty, yeah, I get it too. You forget that you deserve care. Dear me, just give it time. Look how high you dare to climb. Every hurt you tried to hide proves that you made it through the night. Dear me, just look and see, you're stronger than the way you feel. This storm is no joke.
想睇訪問、聽 talk show，緊貼多倫多文化圈，快啲 subscribe Ears Online 啊！